Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. Welcome to part 1 of our comprehensive guide, Everything You Need to Know About Airbags. In this installment, we'll be unraveling the intricacies of this crucial safety feature, exploring their types, functions, and the technology behind them. Everything you need to know about airbags, a comprehensive guide. Airbags have become a standard feature in modern vehicles, but how do they actually work? In this video, we'll delve into the mechanics of airbags and explore their crucial role in vehicle safety. From their early development to the advanced systems in today's cars, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of airbags and their importance in protecting drivers and passengers. Whether you're a car enthusiast or simply curious about automotive technology, this video will equip you with valuable knowledge about airbags and their impact on road safety. So, let's buckle up and dive into the world of airbags. Please give us a comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. What are airbags? Car airbags are part of the vehicle's safety restraint system designed to provide cushioning and protection to passengers in the event of a collision. Purpose of airbags. The primary purpose of airbags is to reduce the impact of a crash on the vehicle occupants. They act as a supplementary restraint system, working in conjunction with seat belts to minimize the risk of injury during a collision. When a crash occurs, the airbag rapidly inflates to create a cushioning barrier between the occupants and the hard surfaces within the vehicle, such as the steering wheel, dashboard, or door panels. This rapid inflation and subsequent deflation help to slow down the forward motion of the occupants, reducing the force of impact and the risk of serious injury. Types of airbags. 1. Frontal airbags. These are the most common type of airbags and are typically located in the steering wheel for the driver and in the dashboard for the passenger. They are designed to protect the head and chest during a frontal collision. 2. Side airbags. These airbags are usually located in the seat or door and are designed to protect the torso and pelvis in the event of a side impact. 3. Curtain airbags, also known as roof-mounted airbags. These airbags drop down from the ceiling to protect the heads of occupants in the front and rear seats during a side impact or rollover. 4. Knee airbags, positioned below the dashboard. These airbags are designed to reduce leg and knee injuries for the driver and, in some cases, the front passenger during a frontal collision. 5. Seatbelt airbags, integrated into the seatbelts. These airbags deploy during a collision to provide additional upper body protection. Understanding the different types of airbags and their specific protective functions can help drivers and passengers appreciate the importance of these safety features in modern vehicles. How do airbags work? Airbags are an essential safety feature in modern vehicles, designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. Understanding how airbags work can provide valuable insight into their life-saving capabilities. Sensors and activation. Airbags are equipped with sensors that detect sudden deceleration, typically resulting from a collision. These sensors rapidly transmit data to the vehicle's airbag control unit, which assesses the severity of the impact. Once the system determines that deployment is necessary, it activates the airbags within milliseconds. Inflation and deflation process. Upon receiving the signal for deployment, the airbag's inflation system is triggered. This process involves the rapid release of a precisely measured amount of gas, typically generated by the chemical reaction of sodium azide and potassium nitrate. As the gas is released, the airbag inflates within a fraction of a second, creating a cushioning barrier between the vehicle occupants and the interior surface of the vehicle. Following deployment, the airbag gradually deflates to provide a cushioning effect and prevent rebound injuries. This controlled deflation process enhances occupant safety and minimizes the risk of secondary impacts. Understanding the intricate workings of airbags sheds light on the remarkable technology that enhances vehicle safety, offering crucial protection during unforeseen accidents. The importance of airbags. Airbags play a crucial role in vehicle safety, providing an extra layer of protection in the event of a collision. Let's delve into the significance of airbags and how they contribute to overall safety on the road. Protection from impact. Airbags serve as a fundamental component of vehicle safety systems, working in conjunction with seatbelts to minimize the impact of a collision on occupants. In the event of a crash, airbags deploy rapidly to cushion the driver and passengers, effectively reducing the risk of serious head and chest injuries, mitigating collateral damage. Beyond protecting individuals within the vehicle, airbags also contribute to minimizing collateral damage. By reducing the force of impact on occupants, airbags help prevent secondary injuries and mitigate the severity of vehicular damage, ultimately adding an additional layer of safety for everyone involved in an accident. Enhanced vehicle safety standards. The integration of airbags in modern vehicles has significantly raised the bar for safety standards. Manufacturers are continually improving airbag technology to ensure optimal performance in diverse collision scenarios, leading to increased safety ratings and enhanced protection for drivers and passengers. Life-saving potential. Countless real-life accounts and statistical data underscore the life-saving potential of airbags. When deployed in conjunction with seat belts, airbags have proven instrumental in reducing the risk of fatal injuries in high-impact accidents, reinforcing their pivotal role in preserving lives on the road. The significance of airbags in modern vehicles cannot be overstated. From mitigating the impact of collisions to setting higher safety benchmarks, airbags continue to be pivotal in ensuring the well-being of drivers and passengers alike. Their life-saving potential and ongoing technological advancements solidify their status as a cornerstone of vehicular safety measures. Remember, always ensure that your airbags are in good working condition and never tamper with them. It's crucial to prioritize regular vehicle maintenance and inspections to uphold the integrity of these vital safety components. Airbag safety guidelines. Airbags are designed to provide an extra layer of protection in the event of a collision, but it's important to follow certain safety guidelines to maximize their effectiveness and minimize the risk of injury. As we conclude part 1 of our comprehensive guide on airbags, we hope you've gained valuable insights into the types and functions of these essential safety features. Stay tuned for part 2. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.